Boy.
See where I gone?
I do see, yeah.
You see it start to fucking part already. I don't start to boil up. 3 days then sit there for, you know. Tomorrow then ready. Tomorrow we boil them.
Oh, you boil it after?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. For the 3 days.
Oh, yeah. Something is going on there.
See?
Yeah.
You know them party?
Yeah, it looks like that foam there.
Yeah.
Like a tea. Cool.
When that boil and not nice. Good.
Very pretty. It's just getting a little darker and darker, yeah?
Roots rock reggae. Reggae, reggae. Vibes make you move your soul. Make you move your soul. Skanking reggae.
This is our tonic. It's done. So that's just trash, basically. Okay.
Can't boil again, but.
So final products right over here. Roots. Man, it's got that healthy sheen to it. Do we have a taste?
Yeah, I want that taste.
Yeah. Please.
Time to the music and don't worry about a thing tonight. Elevate your mind and let the beat come take you there. Or take you for a dance tonight. Roots rock reggae. Reggae, reggae. Vibes make you move your soul. Make you move your soul. Yeah.
That's it. Proper in the calabash too.
I get it down the road down, so you go.
Yeah, they just gave it to us. Really nice people. They just said, hey, you want to try some honeycomb?
Down at the shop.
Yeah,
Down the road,
down the road, yeah.
Check it.
All right, thanks. All right, let me try this out.
Roots, bush, see? Real, boat here.
This is my very first Roots Tonic.
Tonic, you know?
I've never had it, thank
Had it
you.
before.
First one,
Yeah.
again, I've heard about it before, but now we get the real deal.
The real deal. The new video. Clickin, sharp, bad.
It tastes healthy. And not too sweet. There wasn't a whole pile of sugar in it this time, so
No,
that's good for me.
Yeah, that's why I
Man.
did this way.
Yeah, I thought it would almost taste stronger for how dark it looks, but it's actually quite smooth.
Yeah, man.
And it almost tastes like an iced tea, but it doesn't really compare to anything. I don't know what to compare this to.
But Friday after the week I'm drinking it, man. You will feel out here.
And it should make my reptile really strong.
Yeah. Power in the Power in a reptile.
Power in a reptile pit. Power in a reptile pit.
So come on, let's dance, yeah. Let's dance the night away. Let the beat come take you on a higher flight. Put away your problems, yeah. Let the night work your wild. Come on, let's have some fun tonight.